Are you ready to turn your passion for fitness into a money-making machine? Imagine starting a business that not only keeps you fit, but also fills your pockets. With just a small investment, you can launch a fitness accessories business and rake in 1,500 rupees every single day. That's 45,000 rupees a month, and a whopping 5.4 lakh rupees a year. Stick around to discover the secret steps to get started. Start by selecting high-demand, low-cost fitness accessories like resistance bands, yoga mats, skipping ropes, hand grips, or foam rollers. These are lightweight, easy to ship, and always in demand. Source products from local wholesalers, online marketplaces like IndiaMart, Alibaba, or even direct from manufacturers. Negotiate bulk deals to keep costs low. You don't need a big budget. Start with a free Instagram and Facebook shop, a simple WhatsApp business account for direct orders, or create a budget-friendly Shopify or WordPress website. Use Instagram Reels and TikTok to showcase your products. Partner with micro-influencers for promotions. Offer discounts for referrals and repeat customers. Once sales pick up, reinvest profits into better branding, custom packaging, and new product lines. Expand to platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, or Meesho for more sales. Starting a fitness accessories business is low risk, high reward, and perfect for beginners. With consistency, you can easily hit 1,500 rupees a day in profits. Ready to start? Let's go!